Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and become part of the family. Subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when you drop a video, you'll be notified. Guys, today I want to talk about 5 things that we regularly do that cost us. It costs us so much, especially black people, guys. My people, I don't know what's wrong with us. Setting an alarm, number 1. You set an alarm to wake you up, but you keep postponing the alarm. I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna wake up. But you know the whole week you were late just for doing the same thing. But we keep on repeating. I don't know what's wrong with us, guys. I don't know, man. So guys, let's make sure that we stick to what we say you wanna do. If you're saying you're gonna wake up at 4:30 or 5:30, or I don't know, make sure you stick to it. Number 2, wrong friends. You know, we keep telling our friends information, like personal information, but you keep hearing it from the next person. You know, I don't know how these things got to this person. No, because you told your best friend, who is a snake, who is a snitch. She keeps, you know, telling other people, so that's why it even comes back to you in a wrong way. Nah, but like, that's not how I meant. Yeah, you know, cut those people, ditch those kind of people, man. They are not right for your circle. Number 3, postponing, guys. Last year you didn't have enough money because you were not saving, right? Then this year you decided to save. You said, January I'm gonna start saving. You get your salary. You say, you know what, I didn't get enough, I was just recovering from December, right? February comes. No, I was just covering you know, school stuff for kids and stuff. Guys, if you're saying you want to do something, just do it. Stop postponing. Number 4, patience. People don't have patience. That's why we don't even last on our relationships now, because we don't have patience, guys. Patience is killing us. People are like, I don't know, are living in the fast lane, guys. Everything, like, you want things to be done like now. No, guys. We can't behave like that. It's either it's a relationship, it's either it's work, it's either it's whatever that you do. Take your time. Have patience. Number 5, expectation. Guys, if you wish anyone, it's either your friends, your relative, anyone, like happy birthday or anything, right? Don't expect anything from them. When your birthday comes, just act as everything is normal, like you never did it. Don't expect anything from anyone. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. So just do what you do because you wanted to do it, not because you want those people to think about you when your turn comes. No, don't do such. So yeah, man, those are the 5 things that we normally do which cost us so much. It's either it's emotionally, financially. So yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, more interviews are there, guys. If you press where's written videos there, it will give you all my videos. We did 12 episodes. Go and watch them. More episodes are coming. Interviews, chats and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned.